Well, it's January the 4th, 2023, and last night was one of those crazy Alabama weather days where we had tornadoes hopscotching around the area in about a dozen different counties, and Montgomery was no different. And so I went out, and this is over in the Halcyon area, where there was significant damage to several different structures over there. Some houses got hit, and the houses right next door didn't get hit. That's the way tornadoes are. I think that in the lower center there, that's the next door neighbor's roof off of his storage or part of his house or something. It's really hard to tell, but it's definitely on the ground. See, the fence is down, debris all around. Again, this is over in the Halcyon area, over in East Montgomery, off of Taylor Road. This is directly across from the Buddy Watson athletic field, and Landmark Church of Christ was over there as well. A lot of fences down, a lot of shingles missing, a lot of structural damage. One of those Alabama weather days, January the 4th, 2023. And it looks like they lost most of their roof. You see all the debris around in their yard. There's the Buddy Watson athletic fields across the street, and it had significant damage. The fence is down there. The scoreboard is all a-kelter on that one field. And of course, across the street, that other building had significant damage to its roof. And then on further behind it, there was some damage. And you can see the workers there on that roof fixing that area. And of course there's the one that's right behind the structure, right behind that building. Got the blue tarp on it. Now we're back across the street in Halcyon. A little different vantage point. That looks like the house in that area that had the most significant damage structurally. There you see that neighbor's house where the roof is on the ground. I really don't know where it came from. It may have come from the house that's directly behind it. Again, this is in Halcyon, and it's on Hollis Drive. See the fence is down there at that house and all the debris around the house, the shingles missing, all the debris in the pool. You can see where the path went across. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching.